Isn't it a bummer when we cannot find good food outdoors and miss cooking like the way it is supposed to be? In fact, good food can certainly enhance an already beautiful camping experience. But cooking on the campsite is definitely a hassle and inconvenient task, and that's why today we have 8 amazing camping cooking gear to ease and accentuate outdoor cooking.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Let's begin the video with the Muncher. And the first thing, you will be amazed to know and realize what this small thing can pack, weighing just at 20 grams. As a matter of fact, the Muncher is the world's most functional camping multi-utensil. Its minimum weight of just 20 grams is achieved from aerospace-grade titanium, and because of its extremely compact size and thickness, it can easily sneak into any bag, even a small pocket. It packs a punch of 10 functionalities, like a peeler, can opener, spork, even can be used as a knife. And all of them are equally useful, convenient yet extremely light and strong. Because of the titanium material used to build the Muncher, this is very practical because while camping, you can't have every single tool for every purpose. Instead, packing the Muncher that will save storage for other accessories is a wise and smart decision. At first glance of Dead Fish knife set, everyone will be deceived to think it is a stationary box. But the knife set unfolds as chef-grade quality knives of 2 different sizes and full-size cutting boards. So simply maximize the utility and reinvent outdoor cooking with the ultimate Dead Fish knife set. Moreover, Dead Fish uses an eco-friendly magnetic cutting board that lets you enjoy the most of the Mother Nature without hurting it in any way. At the same time, the 67-layer Japanese Damascus knives ensure utmost quality and razor-like cut. This combination will make sure campers have a blast out in the campsite, preparing foods for their loved ones with their loved ones. If you appreciate something minimal, yet super functional, then Wolf and Grizzly Grill is definitely something hard to get rid of. This simple, rollable, and foldable grill can make the whole camping so much fun and easy, while making even the hardest task very smooth and convenient. The grill is very functional, easy to set up, and versatile for various forms of fire flame cooking. Its usage is endless for a great camping time, as it can be used for cooking, or just to sit together and hang out. Even though the possibilities are endless, it still weighs just 1 kilogram, which is incredibly light. Furthermore, since the grill is foldable, it's not only easy to carry, but even easier to just pack inside the backpack. All these reasons make the grill a perfect pick for your next camping trip. Let's face it, without a proper kitchen setup, cooking can get quite messy when you are out and about, but not with Grillbot. After a lovely barbecue or grill, cleaning up the mess, the sticky charred grill, is a tough job. But what if there is a robot that can easily get the job done? Well, yes, Grillbot is exactly that. An automatic grill cleaning device. The Grillbot is designed to save you time of cleaning and take the pathetic task out of scraping the grill with just a touch of a button, so that everyone can enjoy the lovely time around the campground, making the most of the weekends without getting their hands sticky and dirty. And don't worry much about the power. This compact robot houses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with 3 independent motors inside of a safe and reliable heat-resistant plastic shell. So just charge it once and clean all the mess. No camping is complete without a hot coffee and a warm conversation around the campfire. And you'll need this WACACO Minipresso NS2 for that. A compact capsule espresso machine that combines the warmth in cold winter and convenience for outdoors to give you the best camping experience. Storage can be an issue, but not with the NS2. Its sleek and compact design eliminates any headache of space, as it can easily fit inside any compartment of a bag. And as it's now shorter than its predecessor, anyone can pack their NS2 in the tightest of spaces without any hassle. In other words, Wakako took the best bits of the original NS and have successfully outdone them with the NS2 for a great time outdoors. Meet the Meter, a wireless thermometer for your perfect steak. Steaks make and light up an amazing camping experience. But it can be very easy to forget about the cook stove and the temperature of the meat, leading to disaster. And the Meter ensures that the time spent is not only safe but also wise. So monitor the cooking stove from anywhere and get notified about the updates with the internet. The Meter comes with an app where it's easy to set a timer for how long you intend to cook the meat. Moreover, the app also includes cooking guides, temperature alerts, estimated cook time, and many more. All in all, Meter is a wireless meat thermometer that is just a ping away from a perfect ribeye steak on a campsite. Complete is a great example of how less is more, and this little dining gear that is effortlessly good at what it tries to be. Especially on the move, it's important to keep the carbs in check and have a meal at any point of the day. Gerber's Complete got the basics spot on with a fork, spoon, spatula, as well as 4 functional and super practical multi-tool. Now, how amazing it is even to think about a simple spoon that can turn up to so many possibilities. So with the Complete, cook, eat, clean, and get any task done with just one tool. No matter how much technology evolves, a cooking tripod like Stansport does everything right to hold on to the roots and true essence of outdoor cooking. It stands steady because of its strong and sturdy steel construction that features 3 legs. And the tripod comes with a long nickel-plated chain with 2 S-hooks for heavy lifting. But Stansport is not just for heavy tasks. It's delicate enough to make coffee for everyone at the campsite. Lastly, its versatility is useful for hanging lanterns, water, jugs, and many more. So that was our list of 8 amazing camping cooking gear to pack for outdoor cooking. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.